Hi everyone, so this is my third part for Peter Rabbit, and welcome to my channel, and thank you to those who are following already to me. So today we're going to make arms and body, so let's begin. So to make the arms we need to start with magic loop. So we're going to start with magic loop, and we're going to make into the magic loop 5 single crochets, and remember, first one doesn't count as a stitch. So 5 single crochets into the loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the tail, close the loop, close the hole, and I am crocheting over this little tail. So this is first round done. Second round we're going to make 2 single crochets into each stitch around. So into the first one, 1 single crochet, stitch marker, and the second single crochet in the same stitch. So that's our first 2 single crochets done. Into the next one, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Into the next stitch, another 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and into the next 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and another 2, 1 sorry, and 2. So we should have 10 single crochets, and that second round is done. So now round 3 and 4 we're going to do 1 single crochet into each stitch. So I'm going to start with you together. Move your stitch marker, and 1 single crochet into each stitch. So first one, 1 stitch marker in, into the next stitch 1 single crochet, and into the next one another single crochet. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this is round 3 done, and one more round, 1 single crochet into each stitch. So I'm gonna see you at the end of round 4. Okay, so I finished my round 4, and it looks like this now. A little cup. Okay, so round 5 we're gonna start with 2 single crochets decrease. So insert the hook, pull the yarn through, leave the loop on the hook, and put your hook into the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops. So that's your single crochet decrease. So that's how we do the decrease. So next we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and and now we're going to repeat. So two single crochet, decrease. So yarn over, pull through, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops and a hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops. That's your decrease. And finish it this round with 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. So that's round 5 is done. So that's how our little arm looks like. So now round 6 till round 11, we're gonna have 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1 single crochet in each stitch from round 6 till round 11. I will do round 6 together with you. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. Sorry, I lost the yarn, half of the yarn. So stitch marker into the first one, and we should have 8 stitches on this round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that's round 6 done. So I will gonna see you at the end of round 11. So keep going, 1 single crochet into each stitch, and I will see you at the end of round 11. So I have finished my round 11. So that's our little arm, looks like that. So now we can fasten off. Oops, sorry. So, and we can weave in ends, but I'm gonna push it inside. And now we need to stuff the bottom, only the bottom bit, only this bit in here. Okay, so it's good stuff. We don't need much, it's just a little bit, and I'm using my magical pencil with the rubber at the end. It does absolutely, see, it doesn't even slip through. Okay, so we just, so it's, see, how does it look? Okay, now I'm going to do with this little tail as well, exactly the same thing. I will just push it in. That's when I'm done. Sorry. So you have to make exactly the same arm. So I'm going to see you when I'll finish my second arm. So you can pause the video and rewind it and watch again, and I will going to see you when both arms will be done. Okay, so I finished my both arms. So that's how they look. One looks like a little bit, can stretch them. So that's my both arms. So arms are done, it's done. So now we're going to start body. We're going to start making a body. So for starting to make a body, we need again magic loop, and into the magic loop we need 6 single crochets. So 6 single crochets. Remember, first one we don't count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 single crochets. Pull the tail, close the hole in the middle. So the second round will be 2 single crochets into each stitch around. So 2 single crochets into each stitch around. So 1, don't forget your stitch marker, and in the same stitch we're going to do another single crochet. So we have 2 done. Into the next stitch 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, into the next 1, 2, into the next stitch 1 and 2, into the next stitch 1 and 2, and into the last one 2 single crochets. So now we should have 12 single crochets into the second round. So third round we're going to start with 2 single crochets into the first stitch. So 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 stitch marker, and in the same stitch we're going to do another single crochet. So 2 single crochets, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and now we're going to repeat again. So into the next stitch we're going to do 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and into the next one we're going to do 1 single crochet, and repeat till end of the round. So 2 single crochets into the one, and then 1 single crochet into next one. So repeat till end of the round, and you should have at the end 18 stitches. I finished round 3, and I have 18 single crochets in each, in this round I have 18 single crochets. So fourth round we're going to start again with 2 single crochets into the first stitch. So 1 stitch marker, and second one into the same stitch, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and into the next stitch 1 more single crochet, and now we're going to repeat. So 2 single crochets into the next stitch, so 1 and 2, and into the next 2 stitches 1 single crochet, so 1, and into the next one 1 more. So repeat 2 1 1 2 1 1 until end of the round. I'll see you at the end. So I have finished my round 4, and I have 24 single crochets around. So now we're going to do round 5, and we will do the same. Into the first stitch we're going to do 2 single crochets, so 1 stitch marker, and in the same stitch we're going to do another single crochet, so 2 single crochets into the first stitch, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, so 1 2 and 3 single crochets, and now we're going to repeat 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3, and keep going till end of the round. I'll see you at the end. So I finished my round 5, and now I'm going to do round 6. So round 6 is, again, we're going to start with 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 stitch marker in, and into the same stitch 1 more single crochet, so 2 single crochets into the first stitch, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now we're going to repeat 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So 1 and 2, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now again you're going to repeat 2 single crochets into the next stitch and then 1 single crochet into next 4 stitches. I'll see you at the end of the round. Okay, I finished my round 6. I have total 36 single crochets. So round 7, we're going to start again with 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So 1 stitch marker, and into the same stitch we're going to make another single crochet, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we were going to repeat again 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So 1 and 2, and again we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, and then again repeat 2, 5, 2, 5. See you at the end of the round. So I have finished my round 7, so that's how it looks, and you should have 42 single crochets around. So now round 8 till round 13, you're gonna have to do 1 single crochet into the stitch around, every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1 stitch marker, so 1 single crochet into every stitch around, and that's how you're gonna do from round 8 till round 13. I'm gonna see you at the end of round 13. Okay, so I have finished my round 13. So now it looks like this. So, and you should have 42 single crochets around. So round 14, we're going to start with 2 single crochet decrease. So first one, pull through and insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops and a hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, and that's your first decrease. So, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 12 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 12 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 single crochets, and now we are going to repeat again. We're going to have 2 single crochet decrease. So yarn over, pull through, 3 loops and a hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, that's your decrease. And now we're going to do again 12 single crochets, and then again 2 together and 12 single crochets. So you should have at the end of the round 39 single crochets. So I'll see you at the end of the round. So I have finished now my round 14, and I have 39 single crochets at the end. So now we're going to do round 15, which one is 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch. So I will see you at the end of round 15. Okay, so I have finished round 15 and I have 39 stitches around. So that's how our body looks like. So now round 16, we're going to start with 2 single crochet decrease. So 2 single crochet decrease. Boom. That's it. That's your decrease done. And now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 11 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And we're going to repeat again 2 single crochets together and 11 single crochets, and again you're going to repeat 2 together and 1 single crochet in next 11 stitches. I'm going to see you at the end of the round. So I have finished my round 16 and I have 36 single crochets. So now round 17, we're going to be 1 single crochet into each stitch around. So 1 single crochet into each stitch around. So don't forget your stitch marker. And 1 single crochet in every stitch around. And we're going to see you at the end of round 17. I have finished my round 17 and I have 36 single crochets around. So now round 18, we're going to do again, we'll start with 2 single crochets together. So 2 single crochets together. So I'll do decrease. And now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, and now we're going to repeat again 2 together and 1 single crochet next 10, and again 2 together and 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. I'll see you at the end of the round. I have finished my round 18 and I have 33 single crochets around. So now I'm going to do round 19, and round 19 is 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 single crochet every stitch around. So I'm going to see you at the end of round 19. I have finished round 19. So I have 33 single crochets around. It looks like this. So now round 20, we're going to start with decrease. So 2 single crochet decrease. Stitch marker. And now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to repeat. Now we're going to do decrease, 2 single crochet, decrease, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the last you're gonna repeat 2 single crochet, decrease, and 9 single crochets. I'll see you at the end. So I have finished round 20 and we have 30 single crochets around. So round 21 we're going to be 1 single crochet into every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So 1 single crochet in every stitch around. So I'm going to see you at the end of round 21. So I have finished my round 21 and now we're going to do round 22. So in round 22 we're going to start again with decrease. So 2 single crochet, decrease, so stitch marker in, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again we're going to repeat 2 single crochet, decrease, and 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches, and do one more time, repeat, and I'm going to see you at the end of the round. Okay, so I finished round 22. You should have 27 stitches around, and now in round 23 we're going to attach the arms to this round 23. So we're going to start with 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So 1, stitch marker in, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 single crochets. Now we're going to take the arm and we're going to flatten it up like that, and we're going to put it next to the body, and we're going to join with 3 single crochets. So 1, just make sure you go through both sides and don't miss the stitches. So into the next stitch. It is a little bit fiddly, but